To be honest, YouTube is not the same for small channels and big channels. Small channels have to work super hard just to get little to no views here on YouTube. But big creators, or rather big channels, they easily get views whenever they upload any video on their channel. And this is because they have a lot of subscribers already attached to that their YouTube channel. So how do you survive on YouTube, or rather how do you grow on YouTube and not quit YouTube as a small creator? That's going to be the question that I'm going to be answering on this video. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button to stay connected to my YouTube channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorial videos on a daily basis that can actually help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, the first step to start growing as a small creator who do not enjoy these benefits that big creators enjoy here on YouTube is to continue uploading consistently, and also to give yourself at least 1, 2, or 3 years to become big here on YouTube. Because honestly, who are we kidding? There's no way you can just come on YouTube and expect that in 3 months you are viral, or in 4 months, 5 months you have blown up here on YouTube. It's no longer how it works here on YouTube, because YouTube actually now takes time to push small creators because there are a lot of competition now here on YouTube. So the right way to go about this is just keep uploading, because it's through uploading that you are going to start getting subscribers here on YouTube who are going to start helping you in the future. Because like I said, big creators, whenever they upload, you can go and check their channel. 24 hours later, you're already seeing 200 views, 300 views, and these are going to give the algorithm positive signals that the video is very interesting. And before you know it, YouTube is going to push their video. But we that are small creators, once we upload, we don't have those subscribers that are going to watch the video in 24 hours to help YouTube to push it faster. So it normally takes a lot of time before YouTube will feel like pushing our videos. So that's just the honest truth. So you just have to keep uploading and give yourself some time, or rather years, so that you can also accumulate a lot of subscribers here on YouTube, so that in the future you yourself will start enjoying those benefits that a lot of big creators are already enjoying here on YouTube. So like I was saying earlier, small channels and big channels actually operate under different rules. So you need to stop that habit of always thinking about why you are not getting enough views like all these big creators that you are seeing on YouTube. The truth is that these big creators, some of them have actually been on YouTube for 5 years, 7 years, but you won't know except you go and look into their page and find out. And during those 5 years or 7 years, they have been uploading consistently here on YouTube, which is why they have a lot of subscribers now and enjoying so much benefit. So instead of thinking about that and being jealous all the time, what you need to do is to go ahead and put in your own work into your YouTube channel and give yourself time. And before you know it, you yourself will also accumulate that subscribers that you are always jealous that these big creators have. And before you know it, the same benefit that they are enjoying, you are going to be enjoying it. And then in the future, you will look back to all this work that you have put in and everything, and you are going to be happy and proud of yourself of how far you have come. Another thing to know is that how viewers behave when watching a video is totally different when it comes to small channels and big channels. Now, let's give a typical example. Now, a big channel is having about 50,000 subscribers, or rather 100,000 subscribers. Now, when viewers are watching videos from that channel, they will easily just subscribe without being told, because that channel already have what is called social proof. So they are going to want to subscribe even without being told that, okay, you need to subscribe to this channel. And apart from that, the comment section, they are going to easily comment on that channel because they can already see that a lot of people are already commenting. So it's very easy for them to comment without being told to comment. But when it comes to a small creator, when people are watching video, they mostly forget to subscribe to the channel, especially when you are having below 1,000 subscribers. So they are going to forget, and most of the time they won't even feel like commenting on your channel because you don't have social proof yet. You don't have what will make them feel like, okay, they want to become like you someday, because that's the feeling that a lot of viewers have when they are watching videos of big creators. When they are watching their videos, there's this feeling of, I would like to be successful like this creator someday. And once you're already feeling like that, before you know it, you're already watching a lot of their videos, you're already subscribing to your channel and stuff like that. But small creators do not have this advantage. So what you have to do is start using call to action or using subscribe animation, because that's what will start reminding this viewer that, okay, they need to subscribe to help you grow on YouTube. So the correct way to go about it is that in the beginning of your video and the end of your video, always make sure to tell your viewers to subscribe to your channel and help you grow. And apart from that, always make sure that you're adding a lot of subscribe animations like this one that you can see on your screen right now to remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel. So make sure to do that, and I'm sure you are going to start getting a lot more subscribers than you did before on your YouTube channel. Now, how do you add subscribe animations to your YouTube videos? I'm sure a lot of you are already asking these questions in your head. So you don't need to worry yourself or stress yourself for that. All you have to do is just watch this video on my YouTube channel, and you are going to learn on how to properly add a good looking subscribe animations on any YouTube video. And also, I'm going to be suggesting that video at the end of this video so that anybody that is interested can easily access it and watch it. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube road journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it has been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I'm sure you're already seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.